Abdullah, Amatullah, Zainab, and that's the name on our passports or our identification. But in our behavior and our conduct, when you see you don't see Abdullah, or when you see them, you don't see Zainab. We have to try and the best. We believe as Muslims, we act as Muslims, we have the character of Muslims, and we're confident in that. Shaykh al-Islam ibn Taymiyyah, he mentions a very beautiful benefit. He said the non-Muslims, they respect those who live in the non-Muslim lands more if they hold on to their religion. Nobody respects a person that's going to bend and shake as they please. You know, you go in one day, yes, my name is Bob, or my name is Jim, and you're Abdullah Ahmed. No one respects that person. But if you go into work and my name is Hassan, or my name is Fulan, and alhamdulillah, you show that yes, Muslims have excellent conduct and character, that's a person that would be respected. I ask Allah Azza wa Jalla to grant us all success. Alhamdulillah, we see many of the brothers, alhamdulillah, many of the sisters turning, walillah alhamd, turning to the religion, acting upon the religion and learning the religion. May Allah Azza wa Jalla make you better than us. Barakallahu feekum.